How to turn on your reading history. We're going to start at the library website, newprovidencelibrary.org. And come over here to the right side of the page. There's a green circle icon called My Account. So this is where we're going to start tracking what you've checked out at the library. This will include ebooks, audiobooks, it doesn't matter what the format is, print books, books from any main library that you may have requested. So it's asking us to sign into our account. So the barcode number is the library card number on the back of your card. It's under a barcode. And it's 14 digits. Your password, if you're a New Providence patron, will be the last 4 digits of your library card number. Now I'm going to tap in, I'm going to click on login. Okay, so over here on the right, we have a little person symbol followed by the first initial of your name and your last name. So just tap on your name. And there's lots of things you can see here. I want to show you how to turn on your reading history because that is something that you might never have done. Okay. So here's a little message saying we take your privacy seriously, so that's why we don't track it by default. If you want to start recording what you've checked out, click Start Recording My Reading History. Okay, so now whatever I check out will show up here on my list when I go to my reading history. It's really useful if you're selecting books for a family member and therefore you didn't read the book, so you can't really remember if you've checked it out before. But that's how you turn on your reading history.